The OnePlus camera is intuitive and full of useful features. Swipe up from the camera interface and click Settings to access additional features like location data to enable the Places feature in the gallery or the grid, which helps you compose your shots properly. With Pro Mode, you can get professional pictures with just a few taps of the screen. Swipe up from the camera interface and tap the Pro Mode. Now you can enable RAW format, choose different frame ratios, and adjust various professional settings to achieve your ideal picture.